Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can invite someone to your team on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So log into your account on GanttPro and access your account settings through that gear icon in the bottom left. From here guys, navigate to, let me find it, to team and resources. And here guys, you will see the list of your team members. And here to the right you will see invite by email. Click into it and here simply enter the recipient's email address with the assigned account role like admin or member, project access for example. You can select these projects from that list below within your team, and after that send the invitation via email. As you can see, there is no shareable invitational link. You will need to do that via email invitations and then wait for that invitation to be either accepted or declined for your team. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.